Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name is Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and in today's video it's going to be a slightly different layout to what we usually do. I'm going to be taking you through a few different strategies, and then in addition to those I'm going to be showing you the trades that we'll use for those strategies. Okay, so the three strategies that I'm going to mention in today's video is our breakout strategy number 1, our reversal strategy number 2, and our intraday strategy number 3. Okay, so the reason for doing this video is because we actually made in the month of May and June so far in excess of 750 pips in the market. We want to show you just a handful of the trades that have helped us along the way and a few of those strategies that we've used in order to get us there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to our trading floor analysis. The trading floor analysis is essentially there to provide clients with guidance, support, analysis, and possible trading ideas for the week. Now, just before I do that, I want to take you to our Forex blog. This can be found on our website, platinumtradingacademy.com. You click just here where it says Forex blog. It takes you to this page. The reason for taking you to the Forex blog is because on our Forex blogs we provide in-depth analysis on possible up-and-coming trading opportunities, as well as important topics for you to keep an eye on in the market. So for example, if we go to this, say, a particular blog article, how to trade the dollar yen through the trade wars. So all of you would have heard about what's happening with the trade wars. So you can scroll on down, and what that essentially will provide you with, let me just agree to that. There we go. What that will essentially provide you with is in-depth analysis on the actual pairs themselves. So you can see we've given a technical chart there. Scrolling on down, we've given some levels that you should be keeping an eye on, and giving you the methodology behind the actual trade itself. That's something that I'd really recommend you go to because it's completely free and it's just on our website, so anyone can access it. But let me take you to the analysis. So I'm going to show you a few trades that are triggered in for the month of May. So this is one of our breakout strategies that I'm going to show you right now. This was a breakout that was taken on the GBP USD on the, let me just double check the date that was taken on so you can confirm that for yourself as well. It was taken on the 22nd of May, and this was a breakout pullback and continuation trade. The breakout level in question was 34.90. Okay, so we're looking for a breakout of 34.90 and to go short from there with a target of 3,300. Okay. Now in the end it obviously made us 190 pips, so it was a fantastic trade. So I'm just going to show you this trade just so you can get an idea. So I'm showing the analysis that was given to our clients firstly. I'm just going to show you a trade on the blank chart here so you get an idea of how the entry played out. So the breakout occurred here, you can see, got our close below. The pullback occurred here where I've put the vertical line in, and the continuation to 3,300 occurred here. Okay, so it actually made profit in about 2 days, this particular trade, for 190 pips. Okay, an absolutely fantastic trading entry. That's an entry that we can be proud of because at the end of the day the analysis was provided to our clients at the start of the week, so there's plenty of time for clients to just place their orders in the market and make sure they've got their trading ideas correct and they've got their orders in place. Okay. So the breakout pullback and continuation strategy this month has actually brought in excess of 350 pips. Just showing you one of the examples here. So if you want to learn about the other trading ideas that are provided to clients, all you've got to do is just fill in your details with us on our website. We've got a free consultation form, and we're more than happy to take you through the other ideas too. Let's go to the reversal trade. So the reversal trade was a more recent one, which was taken on the Australian dollar. Now the Australian dollar, let me just bring this across to you guys now. Let me get the chart up. So I'm going to go to the most recent week, which was when it was taken. That's the great thing about the trading floor as well, is that you can take it around. It's got the archives, so you can click on any particular week that you want to look at. This is the trade that was provided, which is a short on the AUD, which is 76.60, with a 40 pip stop and a target of 74.20. This trade is currently still in play. The reason for showing you this is because this is an example of one of our reversal swing trade strategies. You can see there's no breakout occurring here, just looking for a reversal off that particular level. If we go to the Australian dollar chart, you can see that I've indicated the white line of where the entry was taken this week, 76.60. You can see currently, let me just double check, yeah, the trade is currently 80 pips in profit. At this point, we've already got our stops moved to break even. We've got a little bit of position taken out of there as well. We've got a couple of other reversal strategies that were taken this month. So reversal strategies, we're looking in excess of 200 pips so far. Obviously, again, adding up towards our figure of our 750. So just to break it down for strategies for you, it was plus 350, close to 400 for the breakout strategies, over 200 for the reversal swing trade strategies, and then last but not least we had our intraday strategies. So I want to take you to those now. The intraday strategies are provided in our important trading zone section just here, and it's also used on our trading algorithm. Okay, the trading algorithm is the algorithm that we use right here. So the trading intraday strategy, you'll see that the algorithm produces buy and sell zones on a daily basis. What we then do is we effectively select the zones we want to trade, and by doing this we put our term that we call major cap next to the zone. That for us is an intraday level matching up to the algorithm. That's going to be a good level to trade. All you would effectively need to do is place a sell order at that particular zone in the morning with around a 20 pip stop loss, a 20 pip profit, and if it hits either one, great. If it doesn't, it just expires in the evening. So you can see here these working very, very nicely, these particular zones. Again, major cap here, market goes up. Again, major cap here, market goes up. So the intraday trades are brought in excess of 150 pips. Okay, so that's how we sort of came to our total so far of over 750 pips in the market from 3 different strategies. And honestly, there's not a lot of trades. The breakout trades, I think we maybe took 3 breakout trades in total. Reversal trades, maybe 2 reversal trades in total. And major cap trades, intraday trades, you're probably looking at on average maybe about 1 a day. Okay, those are intraday trades. So there's not a lot of trades there. So for the entire month of May and beginning of June, you're probably looking at a little over 15 to 20 trades. Yeah, not a lot of trades at all. So what we're actually doing, and the reason for showing you these different strategies and saying, okay, look, this is possible for you if you want to use this, is that we're providing you with a completely free consultation. So not only do you get free blogs on our website, you get a completely free consultation with a trader. All you've got to do, right hand corner, name, email, phone, and what that will do is that will effectively leave your details with our account managers. They'll get in touch with you, they'll book in a session with a trader, and the trader will take you through everything you've just seen now plus more. We'll take you through live analysis, we'll take you through the algorithm, we'll also take you through how our mentoring is done here with our clients to give you a really good idea whether Platinum's going to be the right fit for yourself. So what we also would like for you to do, if possible, is if you could please like and subscribe on our video. We'd really appreciate it, just so we can keep you informed and updated on our weekly videos. Just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today. Really, really appreciate it. And we'll just speak to you next week. Thank you.